Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up TikTok Pixel for Shopify events, full guide step by step clearly. To set up the TikTok Pixel for your Shopify store, start by logging into your TikTok Ads Manager account. Once logged in, navigate to the Assets tab located in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Event. In the Events section, click on Website Pixel. Next, click on Set up Pixel to create a new pixel. Give your pixel a name that reflects its purpose for your Shopify store. After naming your pixel, select Manually Install Pixel Code. Here, you'll be provided with a piece of code. Copy this pixel code for use in your Shopify store. Now, open a new tab and log into your Shopify admin panel. Once in your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store, then select Themes. Find your active theme and click on Actions, then choose Edit Code. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Theme.liquid, paste your TikTok pixel code just above the closing /head tag. After pasting the code, click Save to apply your changes. Next, return to your TikTok Ads Manager and click on Next. You will see a setup guide. Follow the prompts to set up your desired events. Choose the events you want to track, such as page view or add to cart. Once selected, configure the relevant settings for each event. Click Continue after setting up your desired events. You will then be prompted to validate your pixel. Use the TikTok Pixel Helper extension in your browser to check if the pixel is firing correctly. If everything is set up properly, you should see the pixel events in the Pixel Helper. Finally, go back to your Shopify store and test the events by performing actions like browsing products and adding items to the cart. Once confirmed, you're all set to track your TikTok events on Shopify effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.